This is why we're doing fantasy RV tours, because they take care of everything. This is what happens when we have to take care of everything. We don't know what we're doing. We don't know where the bathroom is. We gotta pay like $35 for a cup of coffee just to go pee.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to me.
Oh, okay.
This is the kind of things that show up on YouTube. Is that water safe? It's not toxic?
Well, we're not going to swim in it. At least I'm not planning on it.
It's kayakers. Look at that.
Yes. That's what I do.
Yeah. Okay, we need to. Judy! Is that what it is?
Just came in. Gotta put my little warmer jacket on.
It's chilly.
It's gonna be chilly out there too. Oh well.
I should have brought a jacket.
If I could find a place to buy a scarf, I'd buy a scarf because that's all I need is to get this top warm. But I don't want a $50 scarf. Yeah, I just give me a scarf. I want to go to Walmart, buy a scarf. Is that the Mennonite couple?
Mennonites.
I don't think they're Amish.
No. There's no boat.
We have to swim to the boat.
We gotta swim to the boat. Okay. That water does not look sanitary.
Nice and warm.
Thank you for getting a bag.
That's Joni. Joni scoped it out from up above. She had it all scoped out from up above.
I like this one because you can stand up and see.
Oh no, this is fine.
Those
Hey Gary, and tell her to sit down. When we get going, tell her to sit down.
On top of it, you'd be looking at the height of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the tallest tower in the world. That building has a lot of ornamentation or design on the outside of it. Goldberg, who completely rejected the less is more philosophy. Then it went through adaptive reuse once again. This building now houses office. Now, the first of those 3 buildings was complete in 20s of onions growing on the riverbanks here that would rot in the Chicago sun texture. Another one sits right next door here, the Chicago River Cottages. On the right. They evaporate and they're also preserved. These vascular meaning that the base and foundation of this tower is a steel beam. This is some of the strongest steel in the world. Black architects. The building was complete in 1929. And the building with the green mosaic glass ground, and they may look familiar. They're also on the 5th tallest building. And I actually read recently they may be tearing it down the next 4 right side at the only vertical lift bridge on the Chicago River. We're on the Chicago River, and the one we've yet to see, Lake Michigan. You may have already noticed that building in the city skyline. Those cylinders, and speaking of the tallest tower, we have a great view of it right now. It has 100 as buccal tubular, and it actually came about when the architects worked the Art Deco style of architecture. Now, taking a look back and forth here. So this building that bends as the river bends, largest digital art projection, where the screen is the face of the underground of Chicago. When scanning the components of the 19th upper whacker, beneath it you find lower whacker, and beneath deliveries and even trash removal in the downtown area occurs under. The tower was complete in 1928. That was the tallest building in Chicago. Very flat roof. Now this building is so flat that and he did. He reclad the building in North Carolina Grand Glass. As we sail by, you'll notice the 3 towers are staggered. So architects removed the 83rd and the 84th floor to allow Michigan. Now, they did some math and they have